Alright guys, first of all, you're gonna go ahead and put your Nexus 6P, or, oops, sorry. Alright guys, first of all, this will work on a Nexus 6P, Nexus 5X, also a Pixel or Pixel XL. Instructions are the same, but you'll have to download a different file. I will show you all that. The first thing you want to do is put it into fast boot mode. Now, when you install this, it's gonna erase everything. I mean, literally everything on your phone. So just know that you're gonna lose everything on your phone. Make sure you back up everything. Alright, you do not need a rooted phone. You don't have to unlock it. You can do it on any phone because this is a stock firmware. First thing you want to do is power off your phone. Alright, once powered off, go ahead and hold down volume down and power. I'm using a Pixel XL, by the way, obviously here. If it doesn't work, second time, try again. Volume down and power. Hold it down until you get into fast boot mode. Try again. There we go. Sometimes it takes a few tries. Next, you're gonna go ahead and connect it to your computer via USB Type-C. And let's go to your computer. Alright guys, first thing you will need to do is go to this site, developer.android.com/preview, download.html. I'll have links to this on my site and all the download links you need. Basically go here and download the appropriate firmware for your device. So I'm using a Pixel XL, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this. For Nexus 5X is over here, 6P. You get the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, download. I've already actually downloaded, as you can see here. And let me go ahead and click on it, and go ahead and extract all files. Alright, once extracted, you'll find a bunch of files in here. Alright, it should be under your downloads folder. Now you also need to download fastboot.zip, alright, and USB driver_driver.zip. You can use Linux or Mac. I'll have the substitute command you gotta write. You don't need drivers for Linux or Mac or Chromebook. Alright, go ahead and unzip USB driver also, then you get a folder called USB driver, also fastboot.zip. Go ahead and unzip it to fastboot. And if you go into fastboot directory, you'll have all the files you need for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Alright, next what you want to do is go back to the firmware folder, right? You can go ahead and copy the bootloader, the file starting bootloader, also the image, and also the radio. Go ahead and copy all of this into your fastboot directory. Alright, next you'll need to install the drivers. If you're using Windows, if you're using Mac or Linux, again, you can skip this step. Go into Hardware and Sound Device Manager. And you should see Android with an exclamation mark, or maybe your device name with an exclamation mark. Go ahead and double click it. Click Update Driver, go to Browse My Computer for software. Let me pick from a list of device drivers. Click Show All Devices, hit Next, go to Have Disk, go to Browse, and then go into your Download folder and go into the USB_ folder you unzip the files to. Select Android WinUSB, sorry, I'm going too fast probably. Let me slow down. Hit OK. Choose Android ADB interface. Hit Next. Make sure you do it in exact order that I showed you, because otherwise you'll not see it like this. Hit OK, say yes, install, close, and you should see Android ADB interface, alright? Once you see that, you're good to go. Close out of everything. Next, we're going to go ahead and open up a command prompt. Let's go ahead and type CMD in your search, or however you want to open up command prompt. I know some of you have shortcuts. I just do it my way. Alright, or if you're using Mac or Linux, open up a terminal. If you don't know how, please Google it. Go ahead and type CD downloads. Go ahead and type CD fastboot. Next, we're going to go ahead and type fastboot space flash space bootloader. And you're going to type BOOT and hit the tab button, and it will fill out the rest of it for you. You can keep hitting the tab if there's other names, file names. Basically, you're going to go ahead and put in this bootloader image name, whatever that is for your version of the phone. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Alright, we just flashed the bootloader. Alright, next you're going to go ahead and type fastboot space reboot-bootloader. Alright, this is, bootloader like that. Go ahead and hit enter, and this will reboot your phone back into fastboot mode. The reason why we do this is to clear out, and then we're going to flash all the other stuff. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and type fastboot space radio space type radio, and then hit the tab button, and it should fill it out for you. Hit enter. Oops. I forgot flash, sorry. It's fastboot space flash space radio space radio blah 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 .ing. Alright, we're gonna do fastboot reboot-bootloader again. This will reboot us back into the fastboot bootloader mode. Alright, next, lastly but not least, we're gonna go ahead and type fastboot space -w space update space image -marlin blah blah.zip. This will actually install the system image. Now for Mac or Linux, I'll have all the commands. It's very similar that you gotta type on for Mac or Linux. Alright, so just follow that. Alright, I did get an error with the bootloader. I don't think it should be a problem because we already flashed the bootloader. So go ahead and just type fastboot space reboot. Right, and you should be pretty much done. Right, I am getting this error, device can't be checked for corruption. That is because I have a unlocked bootloader. Alright, if you don't have an unlocked bootloader, if you don't have a rooted Pixel or Nexus, you shouldn't see that. You can see powered by Android. This is the new Android boot up screen. And boom shakalaka, baby. I got it booted. If you got to this point, you should be good to go. Congratulations. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Let's do a quick hands-on experience of what changed. Alright, so we go into settings. Not too much change. The menu seems to have changed a little bit. Alright, let's go to Google. This is all your Google menus. Let's go to System, About Phone, Android version. Oh! Alright, let's go check out the new It looks like... what could that be? Just a bunch of circles. Alright, let's see if there's a game for this. Hold it down. And there's still the cat game, so you can go ahead and catch cats. Alright, that was introduced with Android Nougat. Ooh, with Wi-Fi, there's new Wi-Fi preferences. Alright, that's new with O. Alright, there's even a saved networks you can go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. And basically, it adds turn Wi-Fi back on, automatically turn on Wi-Fi near saved networks. Wow, that's actually cool. So with Android O, if you're near Wi-Fi, it's gonna automatically turn on Wi-Fi. And let's go into advanced menu. Keep Wi-Fi on during sleep. Some interesting stuff. Wi-Fi Direct. Alright. Alright, as far as the apps, not that much has changed. I don't think so. They're about pretty much stock. Let's go ahead and check out the camera, see if the camera has changed a little bit. Alright, looking good. Camera hasn't really changed. Lens blur settings, burst settings, back camera 4K. Not too much. Alright, I can see this has gotten a lot bigger, the quick toggles. Alright, nothing really new there. Default apps. This is really nice. I think this is not on Android Nougat. So you'll be able to... one of the biggest problems before, you have to go to the apps, and then you have to change default apps within that app setting. It was very confusing. Now you can go straight into default apps, sorry. Alright, it doesn't look far too different from Nougat. Of course, this is a preview version. I'm gonna definitely play with it. Maybe I'll have an overview video of all the changes that I find. Also, do check out QB King. He has a video on all the new changes. I haven't actually checked it out, but I'm gonna check it out right after this. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna definitely check it out. Android O preview is here. Of course, I don't really recommend it unless you're an early adapter, but it seems like everything's working, so I don't see why not to use it as a daily driver.